How to cancel Axe Premium subscription. For that, first of all, open up the Axe application and then sign in to your account. Now, if you have subscribed directly to the Axe website, you can go ahead and click on More, then go to Premium, and just like that, select Manage Subscription. After that, you want to go ahead and simply follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. If you have subscribed through your App Store or Google Play Store, you need to cancel it there instead. So open up your device settings and then tap on your Apple ID, tap on subscription, and then you can go ahead and tap on cancel button right over here. Keep in mind that canceling stops the subscription from renewing, but you will usually keep your premium benefits until the very end of your current billing period. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.